I just had to start this video by showing you my beautiful rhododendrons. Get back here so you can see them all. Aren't they beautiful? Let's go around here a minute. And yes, I have a giveaway today, but I just had to show you these rhododendrons. I'm so proud of them every year. They're like what you see more in the state of Washington gardens than in the Michigan gardens. Now let's walk out to the garden. You're gonna see it's quite a distance from my house. And recently we were on vacation. We took this long transatlantic cruise. We went to Iceland and over to Ireland and England and a little France, and then flew home. But I was worried. What about my garden? Yes, my oldest son became the pet sitter and he was staying here, but I thought, would he remember to water my garden if needed? I was worried because I'd already got some plants in. And then I got contacted by this great company, Rainpoint, and they said, hey, would you like to try out a device we have? You can actually program it with your phone and decide when to water it. It has 2 separate hose attachments, so you can actually water at separate time. And wow, I was over the moon, but it didn't work out like I wanted because, well, you've walked part of the way with me, and unfortunately, my garden is a long way from the house internet. And so I couldn't connect it to work. And instead, I have to use this manual system. And yes, it works, but dang, I was so enthused about the other. I mean, it would have just been so nice if this would automatically turn on, water my garden when I need it, and turn off, and do it on the days when I wasn't here. It would have been wonderful. And I also, the idea why I wanted 2, yep, I got the veggie garden there. But over here, I got the berry garden. The berry garden that needs some weeding. Been working on the veggie garden. Anyway, it was a great idea, but alas, it did not work out. So let's go back into the house. Walk back here. And because it didn't work out for me, means it might work out for you. Get back in the house here and tell you more about it. Oh, we should say hi to the chickens. Y'all looking so, so pretty on such a hot, hot day. Okay, so let's go back in the house and I'll show you the device and I will tell you how you can win it. But you do have to live in the United States because otherwise it'll cost me a lot in postage to send it to you. So I'm sorry, but this is just for my US viewers. We'll be in the house in a minute. Still walking. Like I said, it is a ways from my garden. Oh, I'll show you my window boxes as long as we're at it. Just did these today. Such a pretty colored geranium, isn't it? So first off, I'd like to thank Rainpoint because when I informed them that, dang, thank you for sending that to me, but it won't work. I tried it and my hookup is just too far from the house internet. They said, don't worry about it, just keep it. And I thought, I can't use it. So why not instead have a giveaway and I will mail it to one lucky viewer. Now just look at what you're getting. You're getting the Rainpoint Wi-Fi 2-zone smart sprinkler timer and Wi-Fi hub. So as long as you're watering, be it your grass, your flower beds, or your veggie garden, is close enough to your internet hub, then this will work for you. So all I'm asking is that you put a comment down below why you would like to receive this. On Memorial Day, which is traditionally when we put in our gardens here in Michigan, that's when I will pick randomly one of these comments, and you could be the lucky person to receive this. I will post the winner on my community page, so check out that Monday night or Tuesday morning to see if you are the lucky winner. Rainpoint is such a great company. They're really into customer service and they make quality devices. Now, let's say you weren't lucky enough to win. Well, here's a code to get 10% off. And Rainpoint has other systems other than this 2-zone system. They have a 1-zone system, a manual system. So please check out their website. Links are down below. And I hope you all have a wonderful summer garden and have huge, bountiful harvests. As always, thank you so much, and always share that knowledge. Bye.